Let's look at this question. ABC Nagar Ramayan Mandal organized an underarm box cricket tournament for women held over 6 days, with 6 women's teams participating. The teams were Kaushalya Hitters, Sumitra Warriors, Urmila Rangers, Shabri Chargers, Sita Strikers, and Kakai Royals. The names are too large, so of course I'm going to use the initials only. Kaushalya Hitters, Sumitra Warriors, Urmila Rangers, Shabri Chargers, Sita Strikers, and Kakai Royals. These 6 teams are involved. Everyone has different names, so this is fine. In the tournament, each team played 1 match against exactly 4 other teams. So if the first team has played 4 teams, and the second team has played 4 teams, and the third team has played 4 teams, all 6 of them. 6 into 4. At the end of the table, at the end of the tournament, the table will have the name of the team, blah, blah, blah. Played column, everyone will have 4. And we know that whatever is the summation of the played column, the number of matches is half of that, because in every match, 2 participants are involved. Let's say the first match was Kaushalya Hitters versus Sumitra Warriors. Both Kaushalya Warriors and Sumitra Warriors, Kaushalya Hitters and Sumitra Warriors will have their column increased by 1. So whatever is the summation of the played column, the total number of matches is exactly half that. The total of the played column is 6 into 4. So number of matches will be 24. A number of matches will be 12. Number of matches will be 12. Okay. And the tournament was held over 4 days. This is also told us. An equal number of matches were played each day. So if there are 12 matches and tournament is held over 4 days, an equal number of matches are played each day. I'm saying day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4. On each of these days, you're going to have match 1, match 2, and match 3. Each of these days, you're going to have 3 matches each. Okay. This is identified, this is known. Let's go. Sumitra Warriors played 2 matches each on the day 1st and 4th days. So on day 1, Sumitra Warriors is playing here, 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 which also tells us Sumitra Warriors is definitely not playing on day 2, and Sumitra Warriors is definitely not playing on day 3. Sumitra Warriors is playing on day 1 and on day 4, 2 matches. So all 4 matches of Sumitra Warriors are taken care of. On day 2, Sumitra Warriors is not playing. On day 3, Sumitra Warriors is not playing. Okay, this is taken care of. Next, Urmila Rangers played 2 matches on the 3rd day. So Urmila Rangers is playing 2 matches on the 3rd day, while Sita Strikers played 2 matches on the 2nd day. Okay, so Sita Strikers. This is good news for us. Why? See, 3 matches are supposed to take place. If all the participants were different, if all the participants on day 2 and day 3 were different, we would have needed 6 teams. We already know Sumitra Warriors is out. They are not available on day 2 and day 3, which means at max there will be 5 teams playing here. Apart from Sumitra Warriors, everyone should be playing here. Apart from Sumitra Warriors, everyone should be playing here. Okay. Sita Strikers played 2 matches on the 2nd day. Other than these, no other teams played 2 matches on any day. Fine. This is fine. So I know, see, Kaushalya Hitters is playing 1 match every day. Sumitra Warriors, no. Urmila Rangers, no. Shabri Chargers is playing 1 match every day. Sita Strikers, no. Kakai Royals is playing 1 match every day. Kaushalya Hitters, Shabri Chargers, and Kakai Royals, these 3 teams are playing 1 match every day. Okay. Next, Urmila Rangers did not play any match on 4th day. Urmila Rangers did not play any match on 4th day, while Sita Strikers did not play any match on 1st day. Sita Strikers did not play any match on 1st day. This is excellent news for us. 5 teams needed here, 5 teams needed here, 5 teams needed here, 5 teams needed here. This is done. Okay. Urmila Rangers played with Shabri Chargers on the 1st day. There are two matches for Sumitra Warriors, but on day one, Urmila Rangers and Shabri Chargers played. Urmila Rangers and Shabri Chargers played. Urmila Rangers and Shabri Chargers played. I know because one team is out and all 5 teams have to come here. The 2 other teams would be Kaushalya Hitters and Kakai Royals. The matches on day 1 are uniquely known. The matches on day 1 are uniquely known. Now, this also gives us wonderful insight. Look at this. This Sumitra Warriors has played against Kakai Royals and Kaushalya Hitters here. The other 2 teams it will play against, but one of them cannot be Urmila Rangers. So it will play against KH and KR are taken care of. SW is itself, UR is not there. So here it has to be SC and SS. SC and SS, the 2 matches for day 4 are also identified. Because Urmila Rangers is not involved, the third match on this day will be the remaining 2 participants. Will be KH and KR. Kaushalya Hitters and Kakai Royals. This will be the third match on day 4. So on day 1 and day 4, what all matches are taking place? We have taken care of that by 0.5. Next, Kaushalya Hitters played with Shabri Chargers on the second day. Kaushalya Hitters played with Shabri Chargers. Kaushalya Hitters played with Shabri Chargers. This is also done. This is also done. Wonderful. Now, because Sumitra Warriors are not involved in this day, one of them has to be Urmila Rangers. The other one has to be Kakai Royals. So, all 3 matches for day 2 are also known. Additionally, for Urmila Rangers, it has played against SC. It has played against SS. SC and SS are used up. Urmila Rangers is itself there. Shabri Warriors are not available on day 3. So the 2 opponents it has on these 2 days are Kaushalya Hitters and Kakai Royals. And therefore, the only 2 people left for this day are SC and SS. SC and SS. And now we have the precise schedule for all the 4 days. What all matches have taken place? Everything is known. Let's get to individual questions. Kaushalya Hitters played against Kakai Royals on day 4. On the 4th day they played. For how many teams can we uniquely identify their opponent teams in all the matches they played? We can do that for all the teams, all 6 teams. So answer is option D. Let's see. Next question. Which of the following combinations of day and the pair of teams that played a match against each other on that day is correct? Kakai Royals versus Kaushalya Hitters happened on day 4, so it is not day 2. Urmila Rangers and Sita Strikers. Urmila Rangers and Sita Strikers happened on day 2, so day 3 is not correct. Sumitra Warriors and Shabri Chargers. Sumitra Warriors and Shabri Chargers did indeed take place on day 4, so option C is right. And the final question. On which day did Shabri Chargers play against Sita Strikers? Shabri Chargers, Sita Strikers happened on day 3. So the answer to this question is option C. And that is the entirety of the set. This is a very simple scheduling question. As long as you took care of the fact which team is not available, lining up matches is going to be very easy for us. That will be all for this set.